There's nothing better than a cup of coffee, except a fresh cup of coffee. And the only thing better than that, is a fresh cup of coffee you've made yourself. Thankfully it's easier than ever to do that, especially if you've got a good machine. In this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best coffee machines in the market today. You can find links to the products in the description. If you've got another product in mind that you would like us to review, please comment down below. We'll look into it as soon as possible, and let you know how it compares to the items listed in this roundup. So, without further ado, let's get started with the list. My Cafe Multi-Use Brewer brings you the convenience of single cup plus the flexibility of being able to brew flavorful coffee, or tea using your choice of K-cups, ground coffee, soft coffee and teapods, tea bags and loose tea. The brewer features a stainless steel hot water tank that holds water at the perfect temperature for best flavor extraction. Includes 4 interchangeable drawers to brew your favorite coffee or tea. Easily the most versatile coffee maker on our roundup, My Cafe MCU gives coffee lovers loads of options when brewing Java. The device handles regular coffee grounds, K-cups, coffee pods, and various teas, granting it the upper hand when it comes to flexibility. The downside? The My Cafe comes standard with several brew heads to accommodate its aforementioned versatility, meaning it requires a tad more storage space than typical coffee makers, and their accompanying accessories. Still, don't let the lone gripe distract you from just how great the machine is as a whole. Few coffee makers offer as much functionality as the My Cafe. The fact it brews coffee or tea in under a minute, and looks good while doing so makes it even more attractive. Nespresso is constantly evolving the way you drink espresso and coffee. Now the pioneers of single-serve coffee, Nespresso, introduces the VertuoLine line Evoluo by DeLonghi with an all-new design and colors. Offering freshly brewed coffee with crema as well as delicious, authentic espresso, the Evoluo machine conveniently makes 2 cup sizes, 7.7 fluid ounces coffee, and 1.35 fluid ounces espresso, at the touch of a button. It uses 2 different capsule sizes, large capsule for coffee and a small one for espresso. VertuoLine line Evoluo coffee makers deliver a perfect cup of coffee time after time, thanks to centrifugation, a patented extraction technology developed by Nespresso. The machine delivers the optimal in-cup results for each blend using capsule-specific brewing with barcode reading. The Evoluo Premium machine also features an extra-large water tank and capsule container and chrome details. Each machine includes a welcome set with 12 Nespresso VertuoLine line capsules with unique aroma profiles. Try each Grand Cru to find your favorites. Order your Nespresso capsules through the Nespresso Club via mobile app, online at Nespresso.com, by telephone or in one of the boutiques. All in all, the Nespresso VertuoLine Plus is a convenient, and easy-to-use coffee machine, that creates great tasting coffees of all types and sizes, the main downside being that it also creates a large amount of waste that it's not always simple to get rid of. For espresso, and drip coffee lovers alike, the DeLonghi Combination Steam Espresso/Drip Coffee Machine, BCO 430, offers the best of both worlds. This all-in-one machine prepares coffee, cappuccino, espresso, and even lattes or hot chocolate to perfection using an innovative preparation system with simple steps for the at-home user. This new machine can brew 2 drinks at once, with a full cappuccino system on one side and a drip coffee machine on the other. The espresso is steam prepared, which means hot water is pushed through the coffee beans. This preparation delivers quality flavor every time. For drip coffee, it also features a frontal loading system, which allows you to load water and coffee from the front of the machine without having to move it from under the cabinet. The 24-hour programmable timer allows you to have a pot of coffee waiting for you when you want it. Experience the convenience and quality of this multitasking machine. Most people only have enough real estate on their kitchen counters for either a coffee maker or an espresso machine, forcing them to choose between the two. That means that coffee maker owners seeking an extra kick to set off their morning have to bypass the countertop machine and head to the coffee shop. Good news, though, now you don't have to choose. This DeLonghi cappuccino, espresso, and coffee maker can do it all, and do it well. The machine is really 2-in-1, with separate reservoirs for each. The device also features a built-in milk frother for cappuccinos. At 12.8 inches high, the machine will fit underneath most countertops and features an attractive design. The machine produces solid coffee, and you can pop in an ESE pod into the espresso side of the machine for a quick pick-me-up. While the device is a bit on the spendy side, its 2-in-1 functionality will save you trips to the coffee shop in the long run. This Optimal Brew coffee maker is designed to extract the fullest flavor possible. It combines a high brew temperature of up to 205 degrees Celsius, and a faster brew speed, resulting in nothing short of exceptional tasting coffee. Double-walled, stainless steel thermal carafe holds that fresh flavor and temperature, without a warming plate, to maintain coffee's true character and taste. Plus, all the programmable conveniences are included, like Delay Brew to stir your senses as you wake up to aromatic, freshly brewed coffee, and Grab a Cup Auto Pause, for that rich tasting cup you may need before the brew cycle finishes. Be sure to use the included water filtration disc to filter out chlorine and impurities from water during brewing, so you can enjoy better taste as it's meant to be. Experience the taste with the Mr. Coffee brand. Consistency and efficiency go a long way in making a coffee maker stand out from the crowd, both of which Mr. Coffee's Optimal Brew machine achieves with ease. Outfitted with a stainless steel thermal carafe, the Optimal Brew keeps your beverage hotter than your average coffee maker. Moreover, the vacuum-insulated carafe keeps each pot hot regardless of whether it's sitting within the machine or conveniently on your kitchen counter. Mr. Coffee also equipped the machine with a removable water reservoir, rendering the task of refilling the tank an absolute breeze. Users can program the machine to brew at a set time each day, or choose from either normal or bold brew cycles. Delicious coffee and a straightforward feature set simply can't be had for a cheaper price. A crucial step in brewing great coffee is reaching and maintaining the optimal water temperature. Water that's too hot or too cold produces an imbalanced flavor profile and other undesirable qualities. Bonavita brewers are fitted with a powerful and precise heater that reaches the optimal temperature quickly and maintains the temperature throughout the brew. This results in faster brewing and, of course, delicious coffee. Possibly the last drip coffee machine you'll ever want to own, Bonavita's 1900 TS aims to revolutionize the at-home coffee experience. The 1900 TS takes up little more than a sliver of real estate in your kitchen with its incredibly compact design, which prevents it from sticking out like a sore thumb. Aesthetics aside, this Bonavita model packs a serious punch, arguably producing the best cup of drip coffee you'll ever taste. It does so by utilizing the underused process of pre-infusion, which wets the coffee grounds a few minutes before brewing. The Bonavita 8-cup double-walled glass carafe pays homage to everyone's favorite classic coffee carafe, with an added double-walled twist. Specifically designed to pair with the Bonavita 8-cup brewer, this carafe can be used in place of the stainless steel carafe that is included with your brewer purchase. Simply add the adapter ring to your brew basket and place the brew basket on top of the glass carafe. A contemporary twist to a timeless carafe, the Bonavita 8-cup double-walled glass carafe is specifically designed to work with the 8-cup Bonavita brewer. The removable lid helps to retain heat after brewing, while the double-walled glass keeps your carafe cool enough to touch. Pre-infusion allows for your coffee to extract evenly, producing a more consistent brew, and a hell of a good cup of coffee. Moreover, the device's thermal 8-cup carafe keeps the coffee piping hot for nearly 4 hours after the brew cycle completes. Compact, sleek, and efficient, Bonavita's 1900 TS is the cream of the coffee maker crop.